Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. In this page here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your